No. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Don't mind the fact that my closet looks different. That's because I filmed this a while ago. I filmed an intro and then I think I lost it or deleted it or something, so I'm refilming this. Okay, yeah. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning out my closet. This is something that I've been needing to do for a very, very long time. What better time to do it than when you're quarantined at home for like 2 months? Yeah. I've been meaning to clean out my closet for a very long time. Plus, I'm going to college soon, so obviously I cannot bring all of my clothes with me. So I decided to do a thorough cleaning. Most of these items are going to be uploaded to my Poshmark, so you should be sure to check that out. This was quite a long process because I have way too much clothes. As I've said so many times, disclaimer, you don't need this much clothes. I have way too much. Like, it's actually quite embarrassing. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and it inspires you to clean out your closet as well, because not gonna lie, it made me feel quite productive. I will dress cuter because I feel like when you have a smaller wardrobe to choose from, you dress nicer. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm hoping. But yeah, let's get straight into this closet clean out. Hey guys, it is, what's today? Friday? Thursday? Today's Thursday. Not that that means anything to you, but I am officially starting my closet clean out. So here's my closet as of right now. I know it doesn't look that bad. It's very well organized, which is how I like it. I color coordinate everything. My phone is literally color coordinated. It looks fine, but you know, wearing probably 20% of the stuff in here. I'm a hoarder, okay? Like, I can't get rid of stuff. So we need to go through everything one by one. I need to get rid of stuff. And I keep saying this, but I hope I actually do it. So I'm gonna show you me going through everything. I'm also gonna have to try on a lot of stuff, which I'm not looking forward to. It's gonna be my workout for the next 2 days. And I always say that, but it's really true. Trying stuff on is a workout. We're gonna get started. I think I'm gonna start off with jeans because that's my least favorite thing, to be honest. Please don't judge me on the fact that I have so many jeans, okay? Okay guys, so these are all my jeans, which is really saying something because y'all know I hate wearing jeans. I honestly only need like 2 or 3 pairs. I think part of this is because I keep thrifting jeans and thinking like I'm gonna find the perfect pair, but then I never do, so then I just collect a bunch of them. So I really need to clean this out. I also have so many jeans that literally don't fit me. I don't know, to attach to them to get rid of them, but I'm gonna try to do that thing. Look at a piece and if it incites happiness in you or if it makes you sad, because a lot of times like clothes honestly makes me so uncomfortable, but I think they're too cute or I spend too much money, so it's like a sunk cost. But I just need to suck it up and like actually get rid of it because somebody will wear it way more than me, and it's just unfair of me to be hoarding it in my closet and not wearing it. So we're starting now. I'm gonna try to speed go through this because it's gonna take so long. I have to keep these. Okay, we're not starting off the best. These, oh my god, I might have to keep these also. This is gonna be so much harder than I thought. Okay, I feel like I should set a number that I can't keep more than. I think these are too small, and I think these are too small also. I'll get rid of these. Also, I'm gonna have a try on pile, a keep pile, and then a get rid of pile. I think that's good. These, I might have to try these on. Maybe I'll make myself try everything on before I actually keep it. I have these overalls. I don't think I'm gonna wear overalls. I literally thought they were cute for like 2 seconds. These jeans, they're just kind of wonky. I'm gonna say no. These ones, I don't know. Maybe I'll try them on. These, I'll try these on also. Jeez. I'm making myself try so much stuff on. These, I'm gonna get rid of. They're too small. These are good. These ones are good too. Also too small. These ones, solid pair of jeans, love them. These ones are also a solid pair of jeans, love these. These ones are also a solid pair of jeans. So are these ones. Well, this is getting a little difficult now. Gosh. What the heck? Get rid of these. These ones I like a lot. These ones I'll get rid of. I think I need to get rid of like most of my skinny jeans because I pretty much hate wearing skinny jeans. I did pretty alright there. I'll get rid of these. They're too big. I like these. It's funny, I can tell what jeans they are without even like opening most of them. These ones are keep. I think these are gonna be a keep also, but I should probably try these on. These ones keep as well. We are now on to shorts and skirts. Let's start off over here. I'm gonna make my try on pile once again. See, I can't tell if these are cute because I like them, but they're also very like 2010 brandy, but I think I'm gonna keep them. I really like fabric shorts. I think I have to keep all of these. Maybe I'll make myself try these on. This, I'll try it on, try it on, try it on. Gosh, this is hard. I'm gonna get rid of that. Good job. The first thing I've gotten rid of. Get rid of. These look absolutely tiny. I think the short trend is kind of out. I only wear like mom jean shorts and stuff now. I'm gonna make myself get rid of those. These ones just look a little too short. Got it. I absolutely love these paper bag ones from Princess Polly. I think I'll keep those. I don't know. These paper bag ones from PacSun just aren't quite up there. PacSun jean shorts, really cute, but they're too small. These ones are good. These are good also. They're good also. On to fabric shorts. I love Softy shorts. I love these boyfriend shorts from H&M. man, they're so comfy. I think I have to keep all of these. Could have done a little better over here. Okay, we're now on to pants and sweatpants. I didn't even try to fold stuff anymore because I honestly don't care. Pepperdine sweats, of course I have to keep these. Just got these, man. These ones, they don't fit right. These ones, they don't fit right either. These are like my fashion businesswoman pants. I really like these. I'm gonna keep them. These, no. I'm trying to discourage myself from wearing so many sweatpants, so I think I need to narrow down on it. But I just got all these brandy ones and I absolutely love them to death. I will be keeping all of these, unfortunately. These are so comfy. I might just have to keep. They're like my state pants. They're not cute, but like mems. These are my garage sweatpants. They're the comfiest things ever. These are just Nike sweats. I wear them all the time. I have these Adidas sweats. I would wear these to work out and stuff, but I think I'm gonna get rid of them because that was kind of in my like trying to be athletic phase or something. I don't know. Aritzia sweat. I like these because even though they're sweats, they look quite fashionable. These are brandy sweats, but I'm gonna have to get rid of them. Fashionable-ish pants. I have these. I love them. They're just like super thin kind of boho pants. Ooh, I have these edgy-ish pants. Same with these. I like both of them. Maybe I'll try these on, but I think I like them. And then I have these two brandy pants, but I really like both of these also, so I'm gonna have to keep them. And then I have this pair. Remind me of Easter. I like these also. Okay, well, I didn't get rid of very much. Now on to my athletic pants and leggings. I feel like most of these I'm gonna have to keep because they're just like Lulu ones that I wear all the time.
Oh my gosh, my hair's everywhere.
I'll try these on. Try these on. Wear these all the time, bruh. And this is also like my athletic shorts. Unfortunately, I got rid of about 0 things from this. That was really awkward. Okay. This is quite embarrassing because this isn't even like the half of it. I wear a lot of hoodies, okay? Not trying to justify it because this is not okay. First thing I'm gonna do is get rid of these college hoodies. I have committed to Pepperdine. Cannot be out wearing all these random universities. That's just a little bit awkward. So this is like a Columbia one from what I thought that I could get into. An Ivy. That's so funny. So that's in the get rid of pile. Get rid of this. I'm unfortunately gonna have to get rid of my UW ones. I think these are both super, super adorable. I might have to keep this one. I just think it's so cute. I just really like the color of it. And like
Washington.
I'll put this in a maybe pile. I really, really like this one. But I need to tone it down a little, you know? I really like the color of this hoodie. It's kind of random. It says St. Thomas. Okay, I'm gonna make myself get rid of it. I do not need that whatsoever. This I have to keep. Ooh, I have to keep these. See, this is a UW one that I literally just got and I really like it. But I'm gonna have to sell it. These brandy little hoodies I wear all the time. This is when I thrift flipped. I like it still. I'm gonna get rid of this just because I feel like it looks, I don't know, kind of weird on me. Also some crew necks. I really like this one for some reason. This one's cropped. It's blue. I don't think I'm gonna wear it that much. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna try this on because I have a lot of yellow stuff and I think I need to narrow down my yellow. This I wear all the time. This I wear all the time. This, it's like a fleece. I don't know if I need a fleece. I might have to think about it. It's in a maybe. This I literally just bought. I can't. This one I absolutely love. This one I feel like it's a good, nice, like light one. I'm gonna have to keep that. And this I have to keep as well. Ah. Oh my god, I just broke a hanger. Okay, so we're back looking at my entire closet. It looks kind of exactly the same, which is a little embarrassing. I went through some hoodies, but I need to go through all of these ones. This, I wear it all the time, but I feel like I look kind of like a bum wearing it, so I'm gonna eat that out. This, I really like it, and I like that it's see out. Yeah, I'll keep it. This, I just got recently, like Lonely Ghost, so it's repping this creator I like. I think I might do a little upcycle action with this one. This, I just got, it's a Pepperdine crew neck, so I gotta keep that, of course. Champion hoodie, I wear these a lot. I have this one, it's like a yellow Shadow Hill hoodie. I kind of feel like I should get rid of this. No, I like it. I can't. I really can't. Another Pepperdine hoodie. Gotta keep that. I have a Nike hoodie. This is like my favorite. I wear it so much. I have this Nike one that I was stupid and I cropped it, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I have this gray Hanes hoodie and I wear it a lot like under stuff for layering, but at the same time I feel like I kind of look like a bum wearing it. But I feel like I would regret getting rid of it, and then I would just buy another one. So I think I'm gonna have to keep it. A fleece, I'm gonna put this away because it's like winter clothes. I have another Champion and then another Champion. I wear those all the time, so I'm gonna keep them. Now we're just gonna go through, I'm gonna try to go through every single item in my closet that's hung up. This, it's adorable. I love it. This, I like it still. This, I feel like it goes with the whole beachy, like Malibu vibes, but at the same time, I'm not like in love with it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This gives me very like school vibes. I like it. It's oversized crop. This one, I don't think I'm in love with it. I love this from Hawaii. I don't wear flannels enough. I don't think I'm vibing with the color. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. I have some denim jackets. I'm gonna have to put these in the try-on pile. I have this shirt. I like it, but the sleeves are just a little too long on me because I have little midget arms, so I'm gonna have to get rid of this. It's good. I like it. I have a lot of jackets like this, and I'm realizing I don't really wear it very often. I think I'm just gonna put it in my winter closet. This top, I never really wore it. This top, I like. This one, I feel like it's a little too stretched out. It's a little big on me too, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is a really nice sweater, but it is no longer sweater season, so I'm gonna put this in my bin. Same with this one. I think this is my single flannel that I'm gonna keep. This green top, I wear this a lot. It looks kind of worn, but I like it. This gives me kind of school boy vibes, but I also like it, but it's also wintry, so I'm gonna put that over there. I have this, and I really like it, but I've literally, like, I've never worn it. Should I get rid of it? I have to. I have a bunch of these tops and I really like them, but I don't have any cleavage. He cannot wear it. They kind of look exactly the same. Maybe I'll try these on. This is the same thing again with the collar, but I think I'll keep just one. I really like it. I'm gonna make myself try it on. I'm gonna get rid of that. I have this yellow top that I really like, but once again, it's the collar thing. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Gosh, I'm getting rid of everything. I have this yellow jacket that I never wear, but I still like it. I think I'm gonna make myself try it on. I love this. Do you remember when this type of cardigan was super in? And I have two of them, so maybe I'll just keep one. They're all very similar. I make myself try these on. I like it. I have this top. I also really like it. Once again, with like the cleavage. I'm gonna make myself try that on. Graphic tee, I love. Gonna get rid of this sweater. It looks just kind of wonky on me. I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna get rid of this. I have this one. It's a wrap top, but I like this one, so I'm gonna keep it. Keep this. I have this flannel, but I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I seriously don't need all of these. Guys, look at that. It's so empty. Okay, but this is the after my closet, and honestly, it's so empty. I'm really impressed with myself. This is my room currently. My goodness. My mess of a room. Oh my god. I'm gonna try some stuff on for you guys. Guys, that was my huge closet clean out. I think I did a pretty decent-ish job. I mean, I'm no minimalist. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more cleaning, organizing videos or fashion videos, make sure to let me know. Make sure to follow me on my Poshmark if you want to shop my closet, and follow me on my other socials to keep in touch. See you guys in my next video. I upload every Friday at 11 a.m. and occasionally on Mondays as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know it's good.